Would you be interested in purchasing a versatile drone suitable for agricultural and logistics applications? Do you know that the state-of-the-art vehicle was unveiled as a direct rival to Tesla's Semi? Have you ever traveled in a vehicle equipped with aerodynamic and propulsion systems designed to minimize friction? Today's collection of cool gadgets consists of crazy concepts that will drive you insane. The creators of the following drone have also crafted an impressive presentation. This is far more than just another model featuring vertical takeoff and landing. It represents nothing short of an aviation revolution. Let us explore some of its remarkable features. First and foremost, the drone is equipped with autonomous capabilities, making it ideal for various applications, such as logistics and agriculture. For instance, it has the capacity to transport 200 kilograms of cargo or cover 6 times more area with its spraying capabilities within an hour, surpassing competing models. Furthermore, this model is entirely electric, ensuring zero emissions of carbon dioxide. Thirdly, this model boasts an impressive range of 110 kilometers on a single charge, coupled with a cruising speed of 150 kilometers per hour. The designers assert that their mission goes beyond aero logistics. They have already garnered a clientele, including Helical Aviation, a prestigious Latin American company known for its extensive helicopter fleet. Helical Aviation intends to acquire 50 of these drones in a single transaction. A robot designed specifically for cleaning pools within nuclear reactors, where the water serves as a unique biological shield capable of both radiation absorption and fuel rod cooling. In order to access these fuel rods, the water needs to be pumped out and the surface of the pool must undergo decontamination, wherein the radioactive substances are effectively removed. Due to the lengthy and highly hazardous nature of this process, the robot proves to be exceptionally valuable as it undertakes the task of underwater decontamination. The robot exhibits a commendable cleaning efficiency of approximately 95%, operating at a speed of 0.4 meters per second. It completes the cleaning of a single pool within a span of approximately 24 hours. It offers a swift and straightforward solution, providing the option to either purchase a single robot or hire an entire crew dedicated to carrying out the cleaning tasks. With this reusable heat shield for rockets, our selection is propelling towards the reaches of space. In 2021, the developers of this cutting-edge technology hit the jackpot, securing a staggering $10 million in investments in just a single funding round. The shield will undergo testing in collaboration with SpaceX, utilizing the Falcon 9 launch vehicle. This development, appropriately called after King Arthur's shield, not only offers protection, but also aids in the deceleration of vehicles. With this breakthrough, smaller satellites can say goodbye to the requirement of parachutes, and naturally, this system is significantly more cost-efficient. The team also aims to drive the progress of space manufacturing through this approach. For example, this opens up new horizons in logistics, enabling the transportation of superconductors and medicines to space. This exquisite masterpiece was crafted in Brazil. Besides its impressive 36 inches wheels, this marvel captivates attention with its aircraft-inspired Rolls-Royce Continental V6 engine, delivering an astonishing 300 horsepower. It was Tarso Marquez, the Formula One driver for Minority in the 90s, who conceived this masterpiece. Later, he transitioned into crafting bespoke bikes and automobiles. Although his racing career faced challenges, his prowess in custom car production flourished. This bike has received numerous accolades at various exhibitions, solidifying its reputation as an award-winning masterpiece. While this concept remains unreleased, serving as a homage to the iconic Honda CB160 motorcycle rather than an actual road-ready model. The designer presents a contemporary rendition equipped with an electric motor capable of covering a distance of 257 kilometers on a single charge, while reaching exhilarating speeds of up to 170 kilometers per hour. I wonder if Honda's executives will entertain the notion of embracing this concept. In year 2013, Elon Musk unveiled the revolutionary idea of the Hyperloop vacuum train, yet to this day, it has persisted solely in the realm of testing. While it may be a considerable distance away from becoming a tangible reality, the relentless pursuit of the concept persists unabated among others. In the event of Elon Musk's potential setback, there is a glimmer of hope in the form of Canada's TransPod, which has garnered the reputation of being the Hyperloop's formidable competitor. Their vision's innovative approach centers around magnetic levitation pods and vacuum tunnels, with the ambitious goal of achieving speeds reaching approximately 1,000 kilometers per hour. This transportation alternative not only promises remarkable speed, but also boasts affordability, surpassing the cost associated with air travel. Each pod, designed to accommodate 54 passengers, can be dispatched every 2 minutes, ensuring efficient and frequent travel options. The concept garnered significant investor interest, resulting in the project's total cost reaching around the impressive mark of $18 billion by year 2020. Here is another intriguing piece showcased on Behance. The designer asserts that it is imperative to update today's transportation architecture, thus recommending contemplation on the cars of the future. His current thoughts revolve around two key aspects: the development of autopilot technology and the integration of transportation into a unified cloud system. Bionic space design entails the incorporation of structures and forms derived from living organisms, effectively borrowing from nature's blueprint. Energy efficiency and ergonomics will play a pivotal role in the future of transportation. One notable innovation is the utilization of zero-G chairs, which not only ensure the comfort of both drivers and passengers, but also bear resemblance to certain massage chairs. A 40-degree backward tilt facilitates a more uniform distribution of body weight, resulting in enhanced comfort and balance. Ground logistics has also grabbed our curiosity as well. The Chinese company, known as Geely, first showcased the virtual and subsequently the physical electric Homtruck, which offers a unique combination of a working and living space. This innovative vehicle is equipped with a kitchenette featuring a sink, stove, washing machine, and even a shower. The electric vehicle boasts an impressive range of 1,100 kilometers on a single charge. The company has made promising commitments for the future, including the introduction of several hybrid versions. Among these is a highly anticipated model powered by methanol. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with level 4 autonomy, enabling it to operate without human intervention under specific conditions. The truck is scheduled to be available for purchase in 2024, with its initial release plan for China, followed by subsequent availability in global markets. Several artists on Behance have presented their unique visions of future trucks. This captivating concept, created by a freelance artist from the US, showcases a fascinating rendition of a race car transport truck. The design is strikingly captivating, drawing inspiration from hypercars such as the Porsche GT1. The vehicle features a specialized cargo platform, ensuring optimal functionality alongside a low ground clearance, allowing for easy navigation. Additionally, it offers a convenient space behind the cabin, designated for a spare tire.